I'm Paul Perkins with the check of your ag weather. After seasonal highs around 60 this afternoon, northwest wind gusts to 25 behind a cold front returns for tomorrow and increase our fire concerns, especially with the harvest in the dry fields. Highs cooling into the upper 40s to the mid-50s for tomorrow and Saturday. On the backside of low pressure passing just to our east, there could be a few sprinkles. We'll see lows in the 20s for tomorrow night to bring another hard freeze. A building ridge of high pressure keeps the region dry for Sunday through at least Wednesday. A warm front boosts our highs to mostly the 60s Sunday, while southwest Nebraska and northwest Kansas top out in the low to mid-70s. A weak cold front levels off highs into the low to mid-60s for Monday. Tuesday and Wednesday, highs rebound into the mid-60s to the low 70s. The next hint of cooler air or more active weather not until next weekend, and right now that system looks fairly weak. Long-term forecast boding well for wrapping up harvest. Nebraska and Kansas temperatures Tuesday through November 12th, highly likely to be warmer than normal. Below normal rainfall is indicated for Nebraska and Kansas Tuesday through November 12th. The regional drought monitor shows Nebraska staying steady at 65% drought-free. It continues to be abnormally dry in central Nebraska locations of southeast Howard, Hall, and Mary counties, much of the Panhandle to the western Sandhills, and northern Holt County to much of the northeastern corner of Nebraska. Coverage of moderate drought remains at 12% of Nebraska, including Boyd County of the north central, northeast Nebraska areas from eastern Knox to Dixon counties, and from the northwest corner of the Panhandle to north of Sidney. Kansas increased 3 percentage points to 75% drought-free. It remains abnormally dry from eastern Jewell County to much of far eastern Kansas. Moderate to severe drought coverage in Kansas decreased a percentage point to 8% of the state, including western Republic and northern Clay counties, and from Westmoreland to counties along the Missouri border. Key weather factors affecting the markets include quick shots of rain and cooler air in the eastern U.S., improvements in water levels on the Mississippi River, and rain filling back in across central Brazil. In the eastern U.S., slight harvest delays are expected from a quick shot of light rain and cooler air the middle of next week. Another chance of rain mostly moves through the northern and eastern areas of the U.S. late next week. On the Mississippi River, moderate to heavy rain earlier this week in the Delta and Ohio Valley should bring about a period of somewhat higher water levels for early next month. Central Brazil is seeing widespread rainfall for an increase in soybean planting, including areas of heavy rain that greatly increase soil moisture. With the check of ag weather, I'm Paul Perkins.